Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3. 8+, a virtualenv, and an API key stored in an environment variable so credentials stay safe. Once done, import requests or HTTPX and build a minimal GET request with proper authorization and content type headers. Make the first call to the documented endpoint to receive a 200 response. This validates connectivity and key scope. While you run it, watch the response shape so you know what fields you must parse next. Now you handle the middle work, parse and validate responses. Use try/except to catch connection errors and check status codes to handle 4xx versus 5xx cases differently. Once you get JSON, use response. JSON, and validate required keys and types so downstream code is stable. Implement retries with exponential backoff for transient network failures and add timeouts to avoid hanging. Make sure to log requests and responses selectively to debug without exposing secrets. Finish by encapsulating API calls in functions or a client class so you can reuse and mock them in tests. This also makes error handling consistent. Once integrated, write unit tests that mock responses and validate edge cases, like pagination and rate limits. Deploy with the same environment variables and monitor logs for unusual status codes. If things go wrong, enable verbose HTTP logging and compare the raw request and response to the API docs to spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.